Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, viewers. And here is my observation on the Oraimo website. Oraimo website where you can get to order your product and get them delivered. And I was thinking, because some of us, we don't like stress. If it is stress, we are not in. If it is stressful, we are out. And anything stress, because I believe Nigeria is already stressful already to us. It's messing with our sanity, and every other thing should be much easier, at least except for Sakpa. So I was thinking, instead of having to go to the website, all those troubles you have while loading websites, why not the Oraimo? Build an app. They have all the resources. They can do that. An app where you get to order your stuff with ease. What do you think? Oraimo, what do you think? You should also note that I'm not telling the Oraimo to be like Jumia, Konga, eBay, or every other online store. It's just a unique way that can make orders easy, customer friendly. I know it's already customer friendly, but some people do not just like to open websites. It's stressful, please. Yes, thank you. It's stressful. But an app, we are used to downloading these apps. We can open them at any time and we have them there. We don't need to keep please. Oraimo. It's just my opinion. So you are free to tell me what you think in your own opinion in the comments. And if you think the way I'm thinking, then please, we should all tag Oraimo to see what they can do about this. Thank you and you're welcome.